Hello ladies and gentlemen. In this video we're going to compare Rxjs and signals in Angular 16. So let's get right into it. So let's say we have an cons x. We're going to implement this is 1, and then if we have y is 2, and then if we have z here, x plus y. Then if we're going to console log this is without signal and Rxjs. Okay, so if we do that, and then this is gonna print 3. Okay, but then if we assign y with 3, then oh no, this is going to be let. Okay, so if we assign 3 to z, what is our expected output? This one here is 3, and we want this to be, if we console log z again, we want this to be the z's should be 4. But then because um, this is already used here, and then when we assign this one, this is not reactive because the value of this one, the assignment of the value of this one is on this line 16. So this is what we want, but then the actual is going to be 3. Okay, so let's see, 3 3. So to fix that, so to make this reactive, like if for example if you have a lot of computation and you want to maintain this to be reactive whenever like there's a change in value of the variables that was set, on the variables here, this total here should also update. So the fix for that is signal. So if you're going to x signal, you're going to assign signal 1, and then this one here const y signal 2, and then you const z signals equals to computed x signal plus y signal, and then if you console.log that z signal, we're going to have a, so let's put this as a signal total, right? So this is signal total, and this one is z here is just total. Okay, so this one, the signal total will be 3, and this one will be 3, right? So total 3, signal total 3. But if we want to update the y signal to assign, or is it set? Yeah, set it with 3. Now if we check the signal total 2, this is total 2, and this is signal total 1, and then this is total 2, and then this is um, total 1 here. So we're going to have so this one here, total 3, total 2 is 3 again, and signal total 1 is 3, and signal total 2 is now 4, because this signal here is reactive to whatever changes that we set to Y signal. Y signal. And how do we do that if we don't have signals? How do we do that in Rxjs? Let's see if we can make an example. Uh, Total, yeah. So this is using signal. Okay, so now we want to do it in Rxjs. So not sure how to do this in Rxjs. So let's see if we have a const x r rx is equals to, it's going to be a new behavior subject. So that is going to be null first, or maybe we can assign one already, and then the yrx will be 2, and then we want this to be observable. So how do we do that? So cons rx like that, x rx observable is equals to rx that as observable, and then this one here, I'm not really sure if this is correct, but this is how I will do it if I am going to implement this in Rxjs. So as observable, and then the total z cons z rx observable will be equal to this, oh no, x rx observable that pipe that merge map. So it's going to merge the result of that. So it's going to be x here, and then it's going to return the y rx that uh, we're still going to pipe it. How can we get the value? Pipe, maybe just pipe merge map y. So return of x plus y. We'll try to ask ChatGPT how to make this more beautiful later, but this is my plan. Um, okay, so that's it. And then you subscribe, and then the next is the total, and then console.log total. So this one here is Rxjs total. So let's see if we can have a 3 for the Rxjs total. Rxjs total, so 3. And then if we want to change this to set to 3, like what we did here, we change to 3. We just say the next, so the next value is 3, and then that should trigger this to print again with 4. 2 1 1 plus 3 is equals to 4, and that's it. So we have signal, we have Rxjs. Which one is better? So it has its own um maybe use case, because this one, as you can see here, we don't have to print the signal again to check its value, because this is very active. It's already, it's like it's always going to print whenever we set a next value to the variables that it's observing. But I'm not sure. I'm not really familiar right now on the signal, how if we can also achieve like what we achieve here in Rxjs. But yeah, so there you have it. You have an option to how to work on reactive things in R and Angular. For me, I still like the RxJS way because it looks complicated, and the more complicated your code is, the smarter you are maybe to some noobs. Right, so that's it, noobs and kids, and well, yeah, cool. Thanks, bro. Oh no, we have to ask how to make this look, how to fix this in ChatGPT. Wait, hold on. Right, so we're in ChatGPT. Well, okay, I will ask, hey, ChatGPT, can you make my code a little nicer, please? Right, so let's put right that. Okay, sure. So replace the merge map with switch map. In this case, switch map is more appropriate because it cancels any ongoing inner observables with a new outer observable and it means value. This ensures we only care about the latest. Okay. Thank you. So let's just copy this and let's compare to our code again. Oops. Right, so let's check. Okay, Rxjs pipe. So we're using merge map and then merge map again, which is kind of dumb. So we are now using switch map and then we pipe to our y observable and then we pipe and then we map again to get the value of our y observable and then we plus. So yeah, this is much better. Alright, so that's it, kids. Thanks. And or how about we ask ChatGPT like this entire code. What will it suggest? How about this? How about this? Please make it better. Serve there, shout, you are the only one. Sure, let's make some improvements to the code. We can simplify the nested merge map by using combine latest to combine the latest values of both variables. This way, we can avoid nesting and improve readability. We can we can rename the observables to follow a consistent naming convention. Use said yeah, I already know that. So earlier you okay. So combine latest. Yeah, should be combine latest, right? Combine latest. So what are the improvements here? So it doesn't assign it as an as observable. So yeah. Okay, so we'll just use it like that. So this is the combine latest. Oh man. Can you hear the sound of the wind? Right, so it's still the same result, but better code now. Okay, so we make our behavior, this one as behavior subject. Then we, because this is in those, we just combine the latest of those behavior subject, then map and get the total. And every time we make some changes to our subject, this is going to be reactive and it's gonna update the value of our total. So we don't even have to use that. Yeah. And if we set this one to to 4, then this is going to be 5 now. Add total 5. All right, so that's it. Which one's better, signals or Rxjs? For me, I still prefer Rxjs, but yeah, let me know what you think, kids and noobs. All right.